Hello artists, my name is Miss Z. I am an artist. I work for a studio in a school. And here we are going to make some art together. For this activity you need a paper, any paper, and a pencil. And remember, the pencil is the artist's best friend. Do you know what is the term we use when we make a picture of someone? It's called portrait. And when we make a portrait of ourselves, what is that called? It's called self-portrait. And artists make self-portraits all the time. You know why? Because that's the way we learn. We look at ourselves in the mirror. The mirror is a wonderful tool to learn how to draw a face. And we look at ourselves and we look at our lips, our nose, the eyes, the ears, the neck. That's how we learn. Today we are going to focus on the eyes. What is the shape of the eye? How do we draw the eye? When we start, we usually draw the eye with a dot or with a circle. But look at this picture of an eye. This eye is not a circle, is it? And it is definitely not a dot. If you look at yourself in the mirror and you pay attention to the eye, you will notice that the shape of the eye is closer to an oval, but not yet. So let's give it a try. Here is my paper and here is my pencil. And I am going to start by drawing the upper part of the eye. And if you notice, here I have a circle. The top part of the eye is like a third of a circle, right? So here I will try. There I go. Now I am going to add the lower part, which is similar to the top, upside down, right? But a little more flattened. There. Now I can think about the center. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you will see that there is a circle. That circle is called the iris. And we don't usually see the whole iris because part of it is hidden by the top part of the eye. So I place it in the center and I don't see the complete circle. There I have the iris. And now inside the iris there is another circle. It's a little smaller and it's called the pupil. And we see the whole pupil, right? Right in the center of the iris. There I go. Now I have the basic parts of my eye and I can think about adding details. One thing I notice is that above the top part of the eye here, there is what we call the eyelid. We can represent the eyelid as a curved line close to the top part of the eye. And then I can think about the eyelashes and I can have a lot of fun with them. Sometimes they are longer on one part of the eye, sometimes they are very curvy, sometimes they are longer. You can even make them straight. Like here, I am going to make the lower eyelashes shorter and with straight lines. There I go. Now I have my eye complete and I can add the eyebrow. A lot of students draw it just with one line, but it is actually a combination of small lines, and those lines are here. People have very different eyebrows. Some of them have very thin eyebrows, some have very thick Sometimes it has more hair here. So there you have it. Now that you have learned how to make the basic eye, you can start having some fun, because not all the eyes look the same. In fact, we have very different eyes. So now pay attention and look at people and see the shape of their eyes and see how many different eyes you can draw. Practice and remember. 1, 2, 3. I am an artist.